lately now, I didn't lose everything, but I lost you. Girl, do you think I miss you? I do. I think about you every night, wondering what you're doing. Girl, the nights we had, them nights will never be replaced. And now that you're gone, I remember everything. I remember flirting with you at that church. Now that you're gone, I don't know what I do, but I've been trying to move on. But I still look at that picture, the ones we took and the one you gave me. And there's no one that can replace our love. Girl, you were my second love. You were my second love. And girl, I miss you so much. Wondering where you've been, wondering where you went. Girl, I worry about you today. You can't tell me you miss them days we used to have and when we made love. Girl, I never was happy as that before. But now you're gone away, I still wish I had you today. If I could see you, I sure would. But I was told I couldn't talk to you anymore. You told me give it time, and I gave it time. But now we're not a thing anymore. But girl, you were more than anything. I miss you so much, wishing I can get you back. Girl, I still love you and it won't go away. I thought I had it all, I got us a home, I had a job, and all I thought about was making sure you was gonna be okay. Still today, I know you're thinking about me. I know you haven't given up. Maybe someday down the road we'll be again. Girl, I never cried as much as when we broke up. Girl, you can't say I don't love you anymore, 'cause I still do. I remember every morning I'd come knocking at your door, and we would lay down and fall asleep until I had to go to work. And soon as I got up from work, there I was, you texted me asking what time I was getting off from work. I took the day off, I took Mondays off just to spend a little bit more time with day.